University Day. On this day, 1971, our country got independence. So, at first, I honored every martyrs and freedom fighters. Then thanks honorable members of Managing Committee, Advisor Committee, guardians, teachers, students, classmates and others. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Naima Sharif Naula, student of class 5. Now we are going to start prize giving ceremony. পুরস্কার নিতে আসছে Rabia. Now I request to come on the stage Rabia, student of class play. Please come and take your prize. I request honorable guest. Rabia. Please give the prize. Give the prize. Mr. Adit Sutrodhar.
পিক তুলে নে স্যার, পিক তুলে ইংলিশে বলো।
Now I request to Nihan class play. I request to come on the stage. Nihan class play. Please take your prize and give the prize. Honorable members, please give the prize.